Dave Walther at SOM Trailer Sales. SOMtrailers.com is the website. Do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe button on the YouTube channel. It'll give you instant notifications when we post new and used inventory. We'll do videos on some cool custom builds we do, just to kind of give you an idea of what we can build for you. This is a 2023 Bloomer 4-horse reverse load trailer. And we're going to take a look at this 16-foot 1-inch trail boss conversion. A lot of nice custom upgrades in this trailer. They got the recessed ceiling with the deco lighting and tin up there. This trailer's got a, I think it's 11.5 foot, might be a 12.5 foot slide room in it. You can see there's a dishwasher down there. This trailer has a pop-up TV in it. It's got the half dinette. It's got the recessed cooktop there above those drawers. It's got a convection microwave oven. It's got the Deluxe slide trim kit in it. This trailer also has the upgraded LVP vertical vinyl flooring in it. It's got a fold down sofa. This trailer's 8 tall. It's got the 8.0 Dometic fridge in it. It's got a central vacuum down there. Got room for a trash can, which is always nice. Real big pull-out drawers. It's got a floor-to-ceiling double pull wardrobe hanger here. Bunch of shelving. Some more pull-outs down here. All the lights have dimmer switches in here. It's got interior courtesy lights, exterior courtesy lights. Privacy wall at the pocket door. This trailer's got a custom headboard in it, custom designer valances. It's got the blackout shades. It's got a TV with an additional satellite receiver up here in the gooseneck area. All the controls right here. So it's got an on-demand tankless water heater. This trailer has 150 gallons of fresh water storage, and it has a 110 tank heater for that tank up in the hay pod, and it also has 12-volt tank heaters. Hydraulic slide room. The holding tanks underneath, black and gray tanks, also have tank heaters on them. This trailer has a 6.0 diesel generator with 67 hours on it. Couple hat racks, sliding screen door. Take a look in the bathroom here. Big wardrobe closet here in the center. Some more pull-outs down here. copper sinks, undermount lights under the soffit here and up top. 12-volt power fan up there. This has the solid surface shower stall with the corner seat in it. Got your hamper and some more linen storage here. Trailer's got 2 ACs. Some tile hooks there. Super nice trailer for sale. Again, you can check us out at somtrailers.com and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button on the YouTube channel.